frame it. Okay, 2 more.
You can almost see right through it. Beautiful. Yep, that's good.
Oh, look at that. The cones is just breaking off. It's so thick. That might not. Now this, we might make this out. This might not work in a spinner.
Yeah, that's the one that they made from scratch, right?
Yeah. Yep.
You
yeah, starting to break. That's not but a honeycomb. So I'll just. Oh, look at that. Whew.
I'll show that.
Wow, look at all that thick honey. Look at that.
Hold on, hold it up. Yeah, this let it just drizzle. Yeah.
Since that happened, we cut this all out. This is one that I can't spin because it's broken. We'll just leave that here until we get back to it. I might just cut that in the cone. Oh. How thick that honey, that's real honey there. That's the way honey's supposed to look, not that store-bought stuff that they mix with corn syrup. I can't spin what I can off of this. I need it to be even.
See if they can make out what's happening in here. You want to explain it really quick?
Yeah, so what's happening is, with this tool right here that I'm using, I roll this over the cone. And this thing has like 100-something needles in it. And what it's doing is it's punching little holes inside these wax. If you can get a close-up on the wax, you can see that's where the bees fill these little holes up with their honey. And then after it's done, after they finish processing the honey, they cap it up with a wax over top of it to preserve the honey inside the cone. What I'm doing is I'm removing that wax covering by punching holes in it like this. Just by rolling over it, it's opening the holes. Then what you do is you take that frame that you rolled the roller over and place it in here. Then once you place it in here, this right here is a mechanism that spins it, which the centrifugal force from it forces the honey out of those cells. It hits the walls and goes down the side of the walls. So that's because the honey is so thick, it takes time. It's almost like a thick syrup. So that's what we're doing right now. We're spinning the honey out of its cells with the extractor. And then after that, we have a micron filter here, which the honey goes through this. And what this micron filter does, it catches all the wax particles that's left behind after it's spun down. So this way, that's not in your honey. And what it does is it filters through this filter, and we catch it in the bucket. And straight from that bucket, that's when we jar it. Moment of truth here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this.
That looks cool.
Look at how thick that honey is. It's amazing what bees can do.
That's a lot. Keep it flowing. Cause this is getting a good shot. Yep, you good. You good. You can.
Style jars. We haven't did this style jar yet. This is called a honey pot jar. We got this one on the way. Okay, they're 7-ounce jars, 7.5-ounce jars. So we're going to be sending them out in these here jars. We haven't bottled up anything yet because we're still going through the process of harvesting and filtering the honey. Let me show you guys the honey that's being filtered. I mean, we filled this thing up. Okay, and what's happening right now is this here filter at the top. Okay, this actually lifts up.
Yep, let me
and
see if I can't lift it up.
Oh, you think you want to try it?
Yeah, I can
All
do
right,
it.
you're gonna try it.
Whoa.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
Ooh. So this is the filter. It is going in.
Yeah, it's filtering out all of the wax. Oh yeah. This is some good honey right here, y'all. It has a delicious, like, floral, fruity taste to it with a hint of spice.